Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about SEI, which I believe has now officially left the station. Now there's many more stops to go before the train journey is over, but I do believe that it has left the station now and you've had your time to get on the train. Now, obviously that doesn't mean there's not going to be more gains to be made from here on in. I still think SEI has a good amount of potential, and we'll actually get into the X's that I think could occur with SEI. But I've been warning you for a very long time that once the train leaves the station, it will be parabolic. And I've told you guys that numerous times. And we're starting to see the major move to the upside that we all expected on SEI. We're starting to see it come into play right now. SEI is currently at 28 cents at a $1.5 billion market cap, and it's almost up already 2x since my call that I made just a few weeks ago. Or just a week ago, was it? One to 2 weeks ago. I bought $6,000 of SEI at 15 cents. I already had a nice bag, but I just topped up a little bit. And since then, we have had an absolutely amazing journey on SEI. And you can see this is where I dropped the buy alert here down at 15 cents, right at the bottom of this this dump here. If we zoom in, you can see the absolute bottom of the wick, 15.8. That is where I caught it. And since that move, we've already made 84% ROI in the VIP group. So I highly recommend, obviously, you get in the VIP group. It's not just SEI that we've been killing it on. We bought Aerodrome when it was really cheap. That one left the station. And I told you guys that it left the station. It then pumped even more. We bought Virtuals at 54 cents. In the market right now, out of all the coins, SEI and Virtuals are the two biggest gainers. Okay, I think I put the post out here on X. Make sure you're following me on X. The crypto market has gained 2.1% today, but two of my recent calls, SEI and Virtuals, are up 48.8% and 22.7%. We are drastically outperforming the market. And this is the point I've been trying to make, guys. I've been telling you that, yeah, maybe Total 3 only has another 50 to 100% move left in it. Okay? But we will drastically outperform the baseline. Because as you can see today, the crypto market has gained by 2.4%, the total crypto market cap. We've gained by way more than that, orders and orders of magnitude more than the baseline, because we pick the clear winners on this channel and in the VIP group. And SEI is absolutely one of them. Now, if we go and look at the chart here, you can see, I mean, in the grand scheme of things, this is only the beginning of the breakout. And that's what I mean by there's multiple stops before the train journey's over. Yes, the train has now left the station, but there's multiple stops along the way. And I think the next major target that we're going to be aiming for here is this level up here of around 73 cents. That is the next major level of resistance, in my opinion, that I'm personally going to be targeting. Now, if we get up to this level, I might take a little bit of profit off the table. There's nothing wrong with that, because I'll be up massive amounts on my money, life-changing amounts on my money. And I'm sure all of you guys who've been watching the channel and been buying SEI down at 15 cents, 16 cents, whatever it is, 20 cents even, I'm sure you guys will be up massively by the time we get to around 73 cents. But I don't think that'll be the end. Okay, I still believe SEI will go somewhere between $1 to $2 this bull run. What is my reasoning behind that? It's the backers. It's the quality of the chain itself as well, the speed of the chain. But for me, if a chain has good tech and good backers and partnerships, it's a clear winner. The only thing with SEI was the chart didn't look good. It had the backers. It has a very good, chain itself in terms of the tech. It's really fast and all of that. But the price didn't look good. And that's where you see a great opportunity in the market, is when it's ticking all the other boxes besides the box of price. And that means you've got a great discount. It's on Binance, it's on Coinbase, it's extremely fast. Some would say the fastest layer one out there. And it has some very specific use cases, one of them being DeFi. right, when it comes to trading. So a lot of people are asking me for my target. Like I said, $1 to $2 is the range I'm looking at, but I, will be very clear. I will probably start DCAing out little bits of profit here and there much before then. Maybe I only take about 20% of my allocation out here, and then maybe we get to here and I take another bit of the allocation out. And then if we do get to that 2.618 fib, then maybe I take some more out. So it all just depends, where Bitcoin's going as well. If Bitcoin looks like it's topping out, I've said many times with Bitcoin, I'm targeting this trend line as a potential rejection point on Bitcoin. If we were to make a move up to this trend line, let's say in July or August, that would be sitting somewhere around 116K on Bitcoin as the point of rejection. So we do need to bear that in mind as well. Now, all of these things I'm looking at, obviously in the Discord on a day-to-day basis. Cryptex, my technical analyst, sent out a post to the VIPs on SEI just as it made its breakout, telling everyone that it essentially looks like it's breaking out. Since then, it's already made another basically 50% move to the upside. So this is where the charting really comes into, into importance or significance, you could say. But yeah, this group is insanely active. You can see people are mentioning Seiyan, and I wanted to also discuss meme coins on SEI a little bit, because we all know how good the layer one itself is as an investment opportunity. But I also think the memes present themselves as a good little degen lottery ticket investment opportunity. I'm not saying go in with weight, but I think some of these memes could absolutely do great things on SEI. And the one that I personally chose to bet on was Seiyan token. And I dropped a buy alert for Seiyan token at 0.002. Okay. We are now at 0.0061. We're up 3x on our money from that buy alert I dropped in the VIP. And if you don't believe me, well, here's the proof, right? Sometimes people don't believe my buy alerts because the timing can be so good. But that is the buy alert right there. 0.0020, 1 million market cap. Seiyan is already at a 4 million market cap almost. So it's done major returns on our money. And I think, when you zoom out, I mean, it's only just starting. 3 million market cap, 4 million market cap meme on SEI. We've seen some of the memes on some of the other layer ones go really, really high. If you take Tron, for example, okay, there was a little bit of a meme coin pump on Tron. One of the main ones that pumped was Sundog. This one got to a $350 million market cap. Even if Seiyan only goes to half of that, it's 150x from my buy alert, something like that. So it just puts into perspective how early we are to the SEI ecosystem. And in terms of the overall market today, we're looking very positive. I'm very bullish on SEI, and I just wanted to make this video to let you know that the train has now left the station. It doesn't mean the train is anywhere near its destination, but it just means that it has taken off, and you can expect some really big returns going forward on SEI. And I don't think we're going to see these levels of 15 cents again, probably until the bear market. Now, I could be wrong with that, but I think the next time we see SEI anywhere around those prices will be in the next crypto winter. Thank you guys for watching the video. As always, make sure to get yourselves over in that VIP group. There's another option that you guys can now purchase over at my WOP store, which is the ability to book a call with one of my crypto representatives, okay? One of my crypto consultants. These guys are trained when it comes to looking at portfolios. They align themselves with my personal strategy and my personal viewpoints, and they're going to go over a very important document, which I personally created, which goes through everything you need to know to make money in crypto in terms of just quick, to the point, no waffle strategy. Okay, it tells you the portfolio strategies I recommend, and it will tell you exit strategy as well. I go through multiple charts in this, multiple indicators, and I give clear, concise plans that I'm personally looking to fulfill when it comes to exiting the crypto market. So if you want to gain access to this, the best way to do so is to book a call with one of my crypto representatives. Get on the call with them. They're going to help you out of your portfolio, and you're going to feel much better off after the call and your portfolio is going to thank you for it. Thanks so much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.